Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. Today I want to teach you how to make another cute character from Sanrio family, Cinnamoroll. Yes, we already have tutorial for Hello Kitty, My Melody and Kuromi. If you haven't seen that videos yet, in the description of this video you can find the links. Remember, you can use however yarn that you prefer. But remember, if you change the yarn, you need to select the correct hook too. I will show you exactly the materials that I'm using and the size using that material. But remember, you can change everything for your amigurumi. The size using the same materials like me will be 10 centimeters. Is the same like 4 inches approximately. Then, on my case, I use Sinfonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. The color white for the body. Using 2.5 millimeters hook. We need about 50 grams, not too much yarn. It's small. Also, I will use this pink color yarn. Is about 1 millimeter. You can use however yarn with 1 millimeter thread is just for details on the cheeks. And with this yarn I will use 1.50 millimeters hook. Just make sure that is the correct hook for the yarn and that's it. It's just the details on the face. Also we will need blue color yarn for the eyes and nose. This one is super finer thread. Is little less than 1 millimeter thread, but this blue is beautiful. You need a beautiful blue for embroider the eyes. The most important for this amigurumi, a beautiful blue for the eyes. I didn't know what brand is this yarn, but it's super finer yarn and it's a beautiful blue. It's the most important. A beautiful blue and that's it. However yarn that you have on with a beautiful blue. Then, of course, we will need scissors, wool needles, pins, stuff more than this, and some bottom. This bottom is just to put it on the base. Also, you can cut another material. I didn't recommend cotton, cotton. I'm sorry, because if in the future you wash it, it's not good. But a button or a silicone hat like we use on another project, however material. Also you can not put nothing and will be okay. That's it. This is all the materials that we need. Then if you are ready, let's start. We will start making the body. Starting using white colored yarn and on round 1 a magic ring with 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you can close the magic ring and put some mark if you think that is necessary because we will work in a spiral and on round 2 we will make 8 increase. Starting in the first single crochet on the previous round. One single crochet, one more in the same base. And we already have the first increase and then we will continue doing increase until finish this round with 16 points. On round 3, we will start with one single crochet and in the next point, one increase. And we will continue repeating exactly the same, one single crochet and one increase all round 8 repetitions in total and we will finish this round with 24 points. On round 4, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that, one increase. Then we will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase all round, and we will finish this round with 32 points. From round 5 to 8, we will make 32 single crochet in each round, 1 single crochet, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and continue repeating exactly the same 32 single crochet in each round until round 8. On round 9, we will start the decrease, starting this round with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 decrease. And continue repeating the same all round. We will finish this round with 24 points. On round 10, we will make 24 single crochet without decrease. 1 single crochet, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 11, we will repeat 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and 1 decrease, all round 2 single crochet and 1 decrease, 6 repetitions in total, and we will finish this round with 18 points. After round 11, you can put the bottom or the material that you prefer for the base. It's up to you. Also, you didn't put anything and will be okay. But with a bottom, this amigurumi stay on his own. And I like that. I'm not sure if you didn't put the bottom, if can stay on his own. But you can try. Then also you can put stuffing, but I prefer put the stuffing later. After you put the stuffing, this button doesn't move more, okay? Then now we can continue with the next round, starting the head on round 12. Then on round 12, we will work taking the front loops only. And we will make 18 increase, taking the front loops only. The front loops, 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, then we already have the first increase. We will continue doing increase all round, taking the front loops only, and we will finish this round with 36 points. On round 13, we will start with 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and after that 1 increase. Continue repeating 5 single crochet and 1 increase all round, and we will finish this round with 42 points. On round 14, we will start with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now 1 increase. Continue repeating 6 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 48 points. On round 15, we will start with 3 single crochet. We will move the increase. Then 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 5 times 7 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and now 1 increase. Then repeat 7 single crochet and 1 increase 4 times more, and for the end we will make 4 single crochet more. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we already finished this round with 54 points. From round 16 to 19, we will make 54 single crochet in each round. I'm already made 2, 3, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. And repeating exactly the same until round 19. I'm already finished round 19. And on round 20, we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 decrease. After that, we will repeat 5 times 7 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and now 1 decrease. Then repeat 7 single crochet and 1 decrease 4 times more, and for the end we will make 4 single crochet more. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we already finished with 48 points. On round 21, we will make 48 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 22, we will start with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and now 1 decrease. We will continue repeating the same until finish this round with 42 points. On round 23, 42 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 24, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 decrease. We will repeat 5 times 5 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and now 1 decrease. Then repeat 5 single crochet and 1 decrease 4 times more, and for the end we will make 3 single crochet more. 1, 2, and 3, and we already finished this round with 36 points. And on round 25 we will make 36 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 26, we will start with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now 1 decrease. We'll continue repeating exactly the same all around, and we will finish this round with 30 points. On round 27, 30 single crochet. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. Before continue with the next rounds, I'm already put the stuffing on the base. On the head, I will put it later. Then on round 28, we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 decrease. We will repeat 5 times 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1, 2, 3, and now 1 decrease. Continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 decrease 4 times more, and for the end we will make 2 single crochet more. 1 and 2. We finish this round with 24 points. On round 29, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 decrease. Continue repeating exactly the same all round. We will finish this round 29 with 18 points. After round 29, we will put the stuffing on the head, But make sure that you put the stuffing like me. I will show you now. Put the stuffing in each side. Not too much stuffing on the center. It's better if you put it every time on the side and you will have this result. It's not enough the crochet, the piece. The stuffing is very important on this amigurumi to make the correct form. Then put enough stuffing or however you prefer, yeah? And then you can continue with round 30. We will repeat all round, one single crochet and one decrease. One single crochet and one decrease all round. We will finish this round with 12 points. On round 31, we will make 12 single crochet. I prefer make 12 single crochet in the last round because after that you can put more stuffing and later close. But if you prefer close the head and making 6 degrees, you can also do it, okay? But I prefer 12 single crochet. After that, I will put more stuffing and later I will show you how to close. Then we already finished this first tutorial. In the next part, I will show you how to make the rest of the details, the rest of the piece for this amigurumi. I hope and you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!